everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. This is me, your sunshine girl, and today I will show that how I create this glam look. I mean, I just purchased some new kinds of makeup products some days ago, so I thought that I should make a whole makeup video using those products. So today I will create this glam look, kind of pink glam look, as I'm wearing a nude pink color dress. So let's start today's video. This is my face, super bare. I'm wearing nothing, exactly nothing. Now I will put moisturizer and then primer, a simple basic skin prep before makeup, and I'm skipping sunscreen because I'm not going outside anymore today. Now I'm using my foundation. It's Sheglam foundation, shade Honey. I will blend it properly with the help of a brush. Blending done. Now for a better result, I will pat with a puff. Applying cream contour with the help of a brush, and then I will apply concealer in the highlighting point of my face. Blending it properly with a concealer brush. Now I will apply my cream blush. It's Sheglam cream blush, shade in Rose Ritual, and I will blend it with the brush properly, and then I will do my nose contour part. For starting my eye makeup, I'm applying concealer first, and then I'm blending it properly, and then I will take my blush palette and will add a transition color on my eye. After that, I will take another color from the same palette and will make a crease on my eye. Now I'm adding a shimmer pink color and doing my under eye section. Now I will apply kajal on my eye and eyeliner then. I'm curling my lash with the help of an eyelash curler because I have very less and invisible eyelashes, so it's important segment for me. And then I'm applying mascara on my eyelash. Now again concealing my eye part for making a good finish, and I will set it with a compact powder. I'm taking my powder contour palette and contouring my face, and then I will take a powder blush palette and will apply blush. It will give better finishing with full coverage, and the makeup will long last. I'm applying a silver color highlighter with a highlighter blush, and then I will mix it with a brush properly. Applying the same highlighter in my inner corner and setting my eyebrows properly. Here we are at the last part of my makeup. I'm applying a nude pink lipstick. Now I will apply a lip gloss to give it a shiny look. Okay, I'm done with my makeup and you can see it. Here I'm just adding a jewelry for a better look at the end. So I hope you liked my today's glam look. That's it for today. I hope you all like my video, and if you like it then give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and comment down below that what kind of video you want to see from me. And yeah, so bye.